Good morning, students. Today we will learn about different types of hormonal glands according to chemical coordination and integration. Okay, so we had already known some glands are found in our body where the chemicals called hormones are secreted and control various activities in our body, in our system. So first of all, we know about thyroid glands. Okay, uh, when we talk about origin of thyroid gland develops from the endosperm of embryo, and location. Thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland of the body, which is located on the ventral side of the neck, just below the larynx, as you saw. Uh, in surrounding the front of larynx and upper part of the trachea in the neck, it has two lobes on either side of trachea. And when we discuss about the structure of thyroid gland is a pink colored, okay, H shaped, like this, H shaped, bilobed, two lobed, and largest gland of the body. Their lobes are connected by an isthmus. In normal healthy person, its weight is about 25 gram, and it is larger in female than in male. Thyroid is profusely supplied with blood vessels. The glands consist of large number of small called follicles or acini of about 200 micron in diameter, and each follicle is lined by a secretory epithelium of cuboidal or low columnar type. These follicles are held together by areolar tissues. Each follicles contain a clear viscid uh, proteinous amber colored colloids, which normally comprise the greater part of the thyroid mass. The colloid consists mainly of iodinated uh, thyroglobin. In polybreeders like human beings, the glands function almost uniformly, but in seasonal breeders, the glands is active at one stage and inactive at the others. And the hormones of thyroid glands secretes some hormones like thyroxine or tetraiodothyronine, which is called T4 also, and triiodothyronine T3, and casinotin TCT. Okay. And the function of thyroxine hormones regulate the rate of metabolic activity and growth, and its main effect is to speed up to the oxidative energy releasing process. And thyroid hormones plays an important role in the metamorphosis of amphibians and other vertebrates, and it also regulate the body temperature. And TCS is calcium controlling hypercalcemia, but increase the calcification of bones, and it acts mainly on bones, causing inhibition. And how to control of thyroid secretion? The secretion of thyroxine hormones is regulated by TSH, thyroid stimulating hormones, which is secreted by pituitary glands, and the secretion of TSH is in turn regulated by the hypothalamus. Okay. And some disorders of thyroid glands: hyposecretion, due to hyposecretion of thyroid, cretinism, myxodema, simple goiter, Hashimoto disease, etc. And a hypersecretion of thyroid, the hypersecretion of thyroid causing some diseases like exophthalmic goiter or Grave disease, where the enlargement may also be due to overstimulation of the gland by TSH, and due to increase in metabolic activities, body temperature rises. Small tumor like structure are formed in the thyroid gland. This disease is known as Plummer's disease. Okay, and we talk about next hormonal gland, parathyroid glands. Here you see, in thyroid gland, two pairs of parathyroid glands are situated in thyroid gland. Parathyroid glands develops from the endoderm of embryo, and when we talk about its location, Reinhardt 1835 observed that closely associated to thyroid gland are situated four small glands called parathyroid, two glands each on a lobe. Okay. In man, the weight of these glands varies from 0.023 to 0.5 gram, and the mean size of a single parathyroid gland is about 5 into 3 into 3 mm. Histologically, parathyroid gland is a pocket of epithelial cells which possesses the gland tissue. These glands contains three types of cells: chief cell of or principal cells, and eosinophils or oxyphils, and intermediate cells. Okay, and the function of parathyroid gland: it maintains the blood calcium level, and it acts principally on bones, causing inhibition of bone reabsorption, and it controls hypercalcemia resulting from increased bone resorption. Okay, and the third hormonal gland, adrenal or suprarenal glands. It divides from mesoderm of embryo, derives from mesoderm of embryo. In man and other mammals, the adrenal gland is located on the dorsal side of the kidney as cap-like structure, and its outer part is formed from mesoderm, whereas inner part by neural ectoderm. Each glands measure 1 to 2 inches in length and weight about 8 or 9 grams. Adrenal glands were first described by Eustachius in 1563. This gland is made up of upper cortex and inner medulla. Cortex is derived from mesoderm, while medulla from ectoderm or neural crest. Suprarenal glands are richly vascularized. These glands are smaller in female than male. Adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla secretes independent hormones. Okay. And when we talk about hormones of adrenal cortex is the peripheral part and constitute about 90% of the adrenal gland. It made up of three layers: outer thin layer, zona glomerulosa, and middle thick layer, zona fasciculata, and internal layer, zona reticularis. More than 40 steroid hormones are secreted by adrenal cortex. These hormones are collectively called as adrenocorticosteroids, and all of them are fat soluble steroids. These hormones fall under the following categories, like mineral corticoids, glucocorticoids, and sex hormones, and cortisone. Okay, and mineral corticoids are aldosterone, and second deoxycorticosterone. It is the powerful salt retaining steroid of the adrenal cortex, and it causes retention of sodium ion, and increased urinary excretion of potassium ion. The hyposecretion of cortex or removal of this part of glands cause imbalance of sodium and potassium, which leads to nervous disorder and convulsions. And glucocorticoid, these are three important glucocorticoids: cortisol or hydrocortisone, and corticosterone, and these affect the fat metabolism. And sex hormones, there are two sex hormones which are secreted by adrenal cortex: androgens, male sex hormones, and estrogen, female sex hormones. These males and female sex hormones produce nearly the same effect on the body as those produced by the sex glands. Excessive production of these hormones in young children would bring premature sexual maturity. And cortisone, it affects the protein metabolism and is useful in treatment of a certain type of arthritis. Okay. And disorder of adrenal cortex, Addison's disease, Cushing syndromes, adrenal virilism, aldosteronism, or Cohen's syndromes, एक्सेट्रा. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट डे हम इसके आगे पढ़ेंगे. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर.